Top 10 foods that can help improve kidney function. Number 1. Cranberries. Cranberries are known for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, which can benefit kidney health. Number 2. Blueberries. Rich in antioxidants, blueberries help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. Number 3. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are low in potassium and high in vitamins A and C, which support kidney health. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic has anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce cholesterol levels, benefiting kidney function. Number 5. Herbs and spices. Fresh herbs like parsley and cilantro can add flavor to dishes without the need for salt. Number 6. Apples. Apples are high in fiber and vitamin C, which can help reduce inflammation and support kidney function. Number 7. Kale. Kale is rich in vitamins A, C and K as well as antioxidants that support kidney function. Number 8. Cabbage. Cabbage is low in potassium and high in vitamins K and C. It contains antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and support kidney health. Number 9. Watermelon. Watermelon is hydrating and low in potassium, making it a refreshing choice for kidney health. Number 10. Red grapes. These fruits contain antioxidants like resveratrol, which may protect kidney function and reduce inflammation.